All right. Let's meditate. Let's get meditated. Well, let your eyes focus to one spot, either in front of you or on the floor, or with your eyes closed. Look to the tip of your nose. On your inhale, take your eyes, if your eyes are closed, up to the middle of your forehead. On your exhale, take your eyes down to the tip of your nose. If your eyes are open, you can just simply look up. Inhale, look up towards the middle of the forehead. And exhale, look down towards the tip of the nose. Do that one more time. Inhale, look up towards the middle of the forehead. You're welcome to stay here with the eyes, or take them back down towards the tip of the nose. And as we breathe here, just notice. Notice where the breath is in your body. Stay up in the chest. And allow it to move down into the rib cage and let your inhales and exhales impact the front, sides, and back of your rib cage. Let your belly be soft. Bring your awareness down to your pelvis and legs. And imagine the color red from the low pelvis, like tailbone, sit bones, down the legs, through the knees and calves into the feet. Imagine the color red there. And you can say to yourself, I am safe. I am safe. Move the color red from the tailbone down the legs to the feet. Move your awareness into the bowl of your pelvis. And imagine the color orange. Below the belly button, into the bowl of the pelvis, imagine the color orange. You're welcome to say to yourself, I am creative. I am creative. Leave the color orange in the bowl of your pelvis and the red and the tailbone down the legs, and move your awareness into the middle of your abdomen, from the belly button up to the rib cage. And imagine the color yellow. Imagine the color yellow in your solar plexus. And you're invited to say to yourself, I am powerful. I am powerful. The yellow in the abdomen, the orange in the pelvis, and the red below that. Move your awareness up into your chest, your shoulders, arms, and hands. Imagine the color green. Imagine green in the chest, upper back, shoulders, arms, and hands. And you're welcome to say to yourself, I am loved and I am loving. I am loved and I am loving. Move your awareness up into your neck and your jaw. And imagine the color blue. Your throat, your neck, your jaw, the color blue. And you could say to yourself, I am able to speak my truth. I am able to speak my truth. Red in the legs, orange in the bowl of the pelvis, yellow in the abdomen, green in the chest, shoulders and arms, blue in the neck and jaw. And move your awareness up to your skull. the inside of your head, your third eye, the middle of your forehead. Imagine the color purple. Imagine the color purple filling your head. And bring your focus to the middle of your forehead with your eyes. And this is a fill in the blank one. Fill in the blank. I am connected to, and you can fill in the blank. The universe, all beings, nature. I am connected to. Bring your awareness up to the crown of your head. Imagine a white ball of light on the top of your head. A white ball of light that is small but starts to expand and grow. And you could say to yourself, I am still and I am at peace. I am still and I am at peace. With the white on the top of your head, purple in your skull, the blue in the jaw and neck, the green in the chest and arms, yellow in the abdomen, orange in the pelvis, and red from the tailbone down to the feet. I am safe. I am creative. I am powerful. I am loved and I am loving. I am able to speak my truth. I am connected to. I am still and I am at peace. Take a deep breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. Bring your palms either to touch each other at the center of your chest or place one hand on top of the other against your sternum. Take another breath in. Audible exhale out. Let's Om together. The sound of universal consciousness. Ah, O, Om, inhale. And then ready, gently blink your eyes open.